Hi, I will just briefly show you how to fetch Gluu data into a Power BI dashboard. I'm currently logged in as Hans into our test account Acme Industries. What I want to download is the cases that you can see here. Our currently open cases. I have 54 cases that I expect to be shown directly into Power BI. What I need to do is that here below, since I have the manage account right, I can press this. In our API browser, you can see all the queries that we've made ready for our customers. We expect over time to develop this a lot. So this is what is available right now. If I press the account cases and running, I can see the expected result in a JSON format. This is what Power BI will fetch for me. So if I press the get query up here, I have a URL and I have a token, an authorization header here that I need to put into Power BI in order to fetch the right data. So I can just copy the URL right here, and if I go into Power BI, press Get Data and Web, and I want to choose the advanced option here because I want to add my access token. So here I place the URL, and in the second line I have a question mark, and I'll just write access token, underscore token actually here, and from this I want to fetch. Please remember not to use the bearer, but only use the text string that we have here. I'll just double click it and copy it. And I go back into Power BI and I paste it right here. So you can see from the URL preview here, I have the URL, I have a question mark, and then I say access token, and then I have the string that I just copied. If I press OK here, it'll just take a minute for Power BI to fetch the data. So bear with me on this one. I will automatically enter what's called the Power Query Editor, which is a subset of Power BI. For now, you can do a lot of very advanced things here in the Power Query Editor, but for now I just want to change the properties of a query right here. I want to name it all cases over here. It just makes it easier to identify later on. So all cases here, and I press close and apply, and I'll return to Power BI. And you can see if I apply this, wait a minute. I have the 54 cases that I had in Gluu. Those are the fields that are now loaded. You can see here that I have all my cases here with the process ID, with the case name, and so on, exactly in the format that I expected from Gluu. If you want to join this data along with any other data from, let's say, your ERP system, you can do that in the modeler. But for now, I just wanted to show all the active cases. So I'll go back into the report and I'll just add a table here. For this table, I would want to show all the case names that I have available here. This is exactly what I had in Gluu right now, but showcased directly into Power BI.